Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to calculate working days between two dates in Excel. So this function is very simple. If you want to calculate number of working days between any of the two dates, this function will help you. So I will apply this function. Here it has only two requirements. One is start date and second is end date. So I will write a function net work days, press tab, and here you can see the first requirement is start date. I will select this cell and then comma, and then second argument is end date, and I will select this cell and press enter, and here you can see Excel has calculated number of working days. So this is how you can calculate working days between two dates in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.